Good morning, everybody. Right, we are looking at money again this morning. We are thinking about adding money. So using your knowledge already of converting pounds and pence and adding pounds and adding pence, we're going to be adding amounts of money today. So a challenge question to get you thinking. Eva has £5 to spend. And then there are 4 items there. A yo-yo, £3.49. Some socks, £2.50. Chocolate bar, £1.35. And a ruler for 99p. And the question is, what can Eva buy? So you can pause the video now if you want to work it out on your whiteboard, and then press play once you've got an answer to see if you have thought of the same things that I have. Okay, so the first 2 things that I thought that Eva might buy were the yo-yo and the socks. So the yo-yo was £3.49 and the socks were £2.50. So we need to add our pounds first and then our pence. £3 add £2 is £5. 49 pence add 50 pence equals 99 pence. Put this together, recombine them. £5 and 99 pence is going to be more than £5. So she cannot buy these 2 items together. Instead, I had a look at buying the socks and the chocolate. The socks were £2.50 and the chocolate was £1.35. Now remember, we add the pounds first and then we can look at adding the pence. £2 add £1 is £3. 50p add 35p is 85p. Recombine that to be £3.85. And yes, she can buy those 2 items together because it is less than £5. Because it is so much less than £5, I then thought, well, could she buy the ruler as well? So we had £3.85 already for the socks and the chocolate. And we were going to add 99p. 99p is 1p less than the £1. £3.85 add a pound is £4.85. But of course, it isn't a whole pound that you're adding. The ruler doesn't cost 1 whole pound. The ruler costs 99 pence. So you need to take away the 1 pence that you added to the £1. It might be £4.85, but actually the total will be £4.84. So yes, Eva could buy those 3 items together. Okay, I had a look then at the yo-yo and the chocolate bar. So the yo-yo was £3.49. The chocolate bar is £1.35. Add the pounds first. £3 add £1 is £4. 49p add 35p is 84p. So in total, these 2 items cost £4.84. Again, she can buy these because she does have enough money. £4.84 is less than £5. So let's get your brain thinking about money. You can pause the video again now if you want to work them out, or you can work them out on your whiteboard with me as we go. So, how much money is there? We have got a £2 coin, a 50p, a £1 coin, 20 pence and 5 pence. I would say add your pounds first. So £2 add £1 is £3. Add your 50p, £3.50. Add a 20 pence, £3.70. And then your 5, £3.75. Question 2, what is £1 more than £5.42p? £1 more will be £6.42p. We weren't adding any pence, so the pence will stay the same. Similar to question 3, what is £2 more than £5.42p? We're not adding any pence, so we will still have 42 pence, but this time it will be £7.42p. Okay, question 4, true or false? 19 add 6 is the same as 20 add 5. Now, I know that you can all do that, both of those calculations in your head. 19 add 6 is 25. 20 add 5 is 25. But I think they want you to think about how if you add a 1 from the 6 to this 19, but 1 from this 6 to the 19, it now becomes 20 add 5, okay? So we had 19 and 6. By moving 1 over, that moves over there, it is now 20 and 5. So we haven't changed the whole amount, we haven't changed the actual amounts. We have edited the numbers so that they are easier to add. And that will help us in a question further on in this lesson. Okay, complete the parts whole model. Now we know, don't we, that 2 parts add up to make a whole. So we're adding these 2 amounts to make 1 whole amount. So we're going to start first of all with the pounds. We've got £3 in one part and £1 in the other part. £3 add £1 is £4. Next we have 50p in one part and 23p in another part. So 50p add 23p equals 73p. Combine those together and we have got £4 and 73 pence. This next question, we've got 2 parts, but this time they look a little bit different. This part doesn't have has only got 1 coin and it has a note in it. It's got a £5 note this time. We will still be able to add the pounds first. £2 add £5 equals £7. Now we can add the pence. 45 pence add another 5 pence. We know is 50p. 45p add 5p equals 50p. So we're going to combine the pounds and the pence, and together the whole amount is £7 and 50p. Okay, Whitney buys some apples, some pears and some bananas. So Whitney is at the shop. She has picked up some apples, some pears and bananas. And the question will ask us, how much does Whitney spend in total? And total is a really big clue today in this question about what we are going to be doing. We are adding. We are finding the total of these 3 items. So they all have £1. They're all £1, and then they have the pence as well. So we're going to start with adding the pounds first of all. £1 add £1 add £1 equals £3. Now we can add up the pence. 25 pence add 30 pence add 40 pence. 25p add 30p is 50p. 55p, I mean, add 40p will give us 95 pence. So we have split it so that we're adding the pounds first and then the pence. So in total, Whitney has spent £3 and 95 pence. This time, Jack is selling some things that he no longer needs. So he's got a ball, a t-shirt, a teddy, a train, and a bucket and spade. And his friend Amir is going to buy the teddy and the ball from him. Now I want you to have a think. You can pause the video and see if you can work out how much money Amir will spend on these 2 items. Okay, so we know that we start by adding the pounds. £3 add £2 equals £5. Next, we need to add the pence. 50 pence add 60 pence. 60 pence add 50 pence. It will give us the same answer because we are adding. Now I know that it's going to be more than 100 pence. The answer is going to be higher than 100 pence. It's going to be more than £1. So 60p add 50p. 60, 6 tens add 5 tens will give us 11 tens. 60 add 50 is 110. There you can see 60 pence add 50 pence. And from talking about coins, we know, especially from yesterday's lesson, we know that 2 50s make £1. And then we've got the 10 pence as well. So 60 pence add 50 pence equals £1 and 10p. So Amir in total spends £6 and 10p, because we have to remember that £5 first of all. £5 from the £3 add £2, and then £1 and 10 pence from 50p add 60p. Combine that together, Amir spends a total of £6 and 10p. Now, Ron is going to buy the bucket and spade and the train. Have some time to work this one out on your whiteboard. Can you find the answer? Okay, so again, we start with the £2 and add the £1, which gives us £3. Then we do the 50p, add 90p. Now we know that 50 add 90 will give us, we'll have a 50 pence coin, another 50 pence coin, and then 2 20s. 50p add 90p. We know it's going to go higher than £1. It will be higher than 100 pence. Our 2 50p coins give us £1, and then we count our 20s. £1, 20, £1, 40, so which is £1 and 40 pence. We must combine it with our £3, the pounds that we've already added, and it informs us that Ron spends £4 and 40 pence. Okay, this time we have got a £5 note, and we've got a piece of pizza for £2 and 70p and a drink for £1 and 99p. Now, Rosie is saying that she needs to find the total cost. But her friend thinks that there is an easier way. Rather than thinking of a £5 note, she has split it into £5 coins. Now, Rosie needs to know if she's got enough money to buy these two items. £2 and 70 pence is less than £3, so we can put £3 over there for the pizza, and £2 is more than £1 and 99p, so that will pay for the drink. So yes, Rosie has got enough money, but Rosie wants to know how much to find, how much the total cost will be. And she's got £2 and 70 pence for the pizza and £1 and 99 pence for the drink. Do you remember earlier when we were looking at the red and the yellow dots, we talked about editing the numbers, moving a dot from the 6 to make it a 20. A 20 was much easier round number to add 5 to. £1 and 99p is really close to £2. £2 is a lovely round number, which will be much easier to add than £1 and 99p. But to get to the £2, we need to take a pence from the pizza. We're not changing the price of the pizza, but we are moving an amount, we're editing the numbers to help our calculation. So £2 and 70 will become £2 and 69p, and the £1 and 99p can become £2. Again, like I keep saying, it won't change the actual answer. You are moving because we are adding, we will still get the same answer, but we are making it more straightforward for us to do in our heads. So because we have swapped a penny, we've given a penny from the pizza to the drink, it has become £2 and 69p and £2. That is so much easier to do in our heads. We have got £4 and 69p. Both questions, both calculations give us the same answer, but this one, the bottom one, was much simpler to do. And it links back there from where we took a 1 from the 6 to make it 20 and 5. Okay. From that, by using that method, can you work out £2 and 20p, add £3 and 99? See if you can do it on your whiteboard. I am going to take a penny from the £2 and 20p and give it to the £3 and 99. That will become £4. £2 and 19p, because we took away a penny, add £4. This is much simpler to do in our heads. So So the total will be £6.19. This, the top way, you can do, but it would take you a lot longer than doing it the bottom way. Okay. I hope you get on okay. We'll go through the answers at 11 o'clock when I see you again for the Zoom. Let me know if there's anything you find particularly difficult and we can have a look at it together. Okay, lovely. Thank you.